Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to settings so you can change text size without guessing. Tap Chats. This is where WhatsApp exposes its chat font size control. Once there, look for font size or chat font and preview the sample message. If you don't see an internal control, make sure device accessibility or display settings are ready. Android and iPhone sometimes override app fonts, so prepare to switch to system controls if needed. Now adjust the actual font size control in WhatsApp and watch the preview. Choose small or medium to decrease text. Select the option and observe how message bubbles and menus change. If the app uses a system default, go to your phone's display or accessibility menu, choose font size or text scaling, and reduce it there, then return to WhatsApp. Make sure to test in a real chat to confirm readability. Small changes can affect line breaks and emoji alignment. Finish by confirming the new size and closing any preview screens so changes apply. If the font doesn't update, force close or restart WhatsApp. That often resolves cache of UI elements. Make sure your accessibility font scale didn't make other apps unusable. Reset it if needed. If problems persist, update WhatsApp from the store or clear the app cache. These steps fix mismatches between system and app settings. One tip: keep screenshots of before/after to restore quickly if you prefer the prior size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.